artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we are drawing an American flag with a bald eagle. Are you ready? Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with and using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil.
Okay, little artists, let's start this picture. We're gonna do the eagle first, and I'm gonna start in the center of the paper a little up, and I'm gonna put first a circle for the eye. So we're gonna do here a circle for the eye, and on the top we're gonna leave a little bit of white space, so this is gonna give it a highlight, and we're gonna fill with black around it. Now we're gonna do a line that goes on top of the eyebrow. We're gonna do a line that goes on the top, and it's a curvy line. This is gonna make his eyes look better. And now we're gonna do a half a circle around it, and we're gonna go with the tip of the marker around the first circle with it. Next, we're gonna extend this line a little, and we're gonna do a triangle shape. So we're gonna go here and down, and make sure to do not touch the half a circle we just did, and you can pass your marker twice just to make this line a little thicker. Next, I want to extend the line from the eye down, and we're gonna do a V shape. And here's where his beak is gonna start. Now I'm gonna do a little curve after the V shape right here. And we are gonna start doing the beak by doing a horizontal line to the right. And we're gonna stop right there. And we're gonna start going down in a curve. So I'm gonna start going down in a curve. We're gonna end in a point and start going up again and to the left. And I want to stop right here where this letter B is. Here in the middle, we're gonna do an oval shape for the nose. And we're gonna continue with this line, and I wanna go past the eye doing a U shape, and it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna go around, and I'm gonna start doing my U shape, coming back, and it's gonna join with this line. Now in the middle, we're gonna continue with this line, and I'm just gonna pass here in the middle of the U shape. Now let's do the head, and we're gonna start from this curve going around the eye and going down after. So the first thing I'm gonna do is going from here, going up, kind of like the same distance of the eye. Now I'm gonna go over the eye with a horizontal line, and I'm gonna start going down with a curve. And this curve was long, and it passed about 2 fingers away from the eye. I wanna finish the peak by doing another line like this one. So I'm gonna go up a little, and I'm gonna trace a line to the left, and from here I'm gonna start going down, and we're gonna do a little bit of a curve and go down. Now I'm gonna join these 2 lines by doing triangle shapes or A shapes until we get to the other side. So I want to start with the A shapes here, going up and down, and these ones doesn't have to be the same size. You just need to make sure they reach to the other side, like this. Now that we have this done, we're gonna extend this line a little bit to the left. And we're gonna do also some more triangles. These ones are gonna be a little bigger than these ones, just to mark as feathers. Now we finished the eagle. Let's continue with the flag, and in the middle of his head, kind of like after this V shape we did here, this triangle shape we have, we're gonna do a line that goes up, and this one is moving a little. And I'm not gonna reach the end of the paper. If you want, you can reach the end of the paper or do all the background with the flag. I'm just gonna do part of it. So we're gonna continue doing the lines. So I'm gonna start here with a line kind of like going down a little, and I'm gonna start doing a line. They move a little bit and goes kind of like to the end of the paper. The same thing, I'm gonna leave a white frame around it. Now I'm gonna start here about from where the eye's distance is. Remember to leave a space here, and I wanna do the same thing, kind of like following the same shape and going out of the paper. Now here in the middle of the peak, we're gonna do another one, and it's kind of like leaving a space. Now let's do another one underneath the peak, and it's gonna pass behind it, going out. And we're gonna do 2 more, one here in the middle, and one more here. Now I want to do another line like this one. It's gonna mark the square where the stars go, and we are gonna do here from the middle of the head, we're gonna do a line that goes out to the left. Okay, we can put a couple more lines here, maybe one more here where the feathers is out. And now we're gonna start making the stars. These stars are not gonna be perfect. We're gonna try to do our best just to put the stars all together. So I'm gonna start here behind the eagle, and just make sure that you can mark it like this. And we're gonna put the next one very close to this one. And I want to continue doing stars. I'm just gonna do 2 or 3 lines, and we're gonna leave it like that. This part of the video is gonna be a little bit faster, but remember, you can stop if you need more time. And there, that's it. We finished this bald eagle. It has the American flag in behind. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out. To make it look like feathers, I used a darker color, a darker brown color, pulling a little bit on the marker so it makes this effect of feathers. I usually use a lighter brown to do these feathers over here, and I did really little pulling right here with the marker so it also make it look like feathers. And the last detail here is I went with a gray color, a light gray, for around the eye, just to give it a little bit more of shadow and texture. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.